Hello there. Today I'm gonna show you how to use my database application generator to output Angular code. This is the UI, and I'm gonna start by creating an Angular project. I have used some commands before, so I will type a new random name and generate a new Angular project. I'm gonna move to the new project directory, and I'm gonna add the material library. In the same time, I'm gonna open the project in Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna run the application. My database application generator, requires the my tool requires the app folder, and I'm gonna copy it from the Visual Studio Code. And paste it in my tool, and I'm gonna use my previous data model. After clicking generate, you could see a lot of code in the Visual Studio Code. The model, the simple data object with list and count, service layer, service IndexedDB layer. This is offline mode in the browser, for offline mode in the browser. It has the same interface as the network layer, so it may be replaced easily. This is the UI, and this is the view model layer. The UI has dependency to the view model, so you could replace the repository target where the data comes from only by modifying the view model. So I'm gonna add a new UI component to the app element, to the app component. And I'm gonna add the material dependencies in the app module. Okay, this dependency must be added manually, and it seems okay. And let me see if the app runs correctly. Okay, it requires trans. The way I internationalize, I put translations in my app is by using a trans window object. So you could easily change the language of the app by changing the trans object in the window global object. It is loaded from this file. It must be in the src folder. I'll click generate again, and I'm gonna add it in the index index.html. I'm gonna copy these translations and the app is reloaded, and these records you see are coming from the IndexedDB, from the browser session. Here is the database. And since I generate, my tool generates code with the view model design pattern, I could easily change the implementation and it will load the data from the backend. Let me see, it requires some dependencies to be added to the provider. First, the service. It must be placed inside the providers in the app module. And another one. Are the constants where the endpoints are saved. So, okay, my backend is located in the demo subdomain. So I must change those. And after the application is reloaded, it now loads data from the backend, only changing the view model layer will point to a different data source. So this is it for today. You could try it and give me some feedback if you wish.